How to use Forest app for studying. Forest is a productivity application that helps you stay off your phone and concentrate by growing virtual trees. The longer you stay focused, the more your forest thrives. So if you leave the app, your trees dies. Simple but powerful. So to get started, go ahead and download and install the Forest app on your device. So this is available on iOS, Android, and as a Chrome extension. So after that, create an account to sync your progress across devices. Then once you have created an account, you can go ahead and click on the type of timer that you can find, which you can find at the top of your screen. So as you can see, you can set this to stopwatch or timer depending on your preference. So once you have selected the type of timer that you want to use, go ahead and proceed on selecting the tree that you want to grow. So once you're done with this, go ahead and head over into the tree section. So to be able to change it, click on the current tree that you have in here. And then from here, go ahead and select a tree from all of these trees. And then select the plant button. So as you can see, once you have selected a tree, your stopwatch or timer will start working. So once you're done with your 10 minutes duration for your focus time, the tree would grow into a perfect tree. So your tree starts growing, so don't exit the app or use blocked applications. Make sure to enable deep focus mode if you want to prevent yourself from switching apps. So if you leave Forest, your tree dies, which is actually a great way for teaching accountability. So you can actually track your progress in here. Before that, you need to save your progress first. So you can select the category where this belongs and then create a small description here. And then you can also take a break. And then once you click on this tree icon, you can go ahead and view your progress in here. So as you can see, you can view it by day, week, month, and year. You can also check your timeline on the application by clicking on this burger icon at the top left of your screen and then clicking on timeline. So in here, you'll be able to find the progress that you've made on the application. And that is how you can basically use Forest app for studying. So you can use earn coins to contribute to tree planting projects via Forest, partnership with trees for future, and compete or collaborate with friends to stay motivated. You can also allow essential applications during your focus time by setting it as a whitelist app.